I hear the train coming around the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, time keeps dragging on. I hear that lonesome whistle on down to San Antonio. When I was just a baby, Mama told me, son, said always be a good boy, don't you mess around with guns. And I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. I hear that lonesome whistle, I hang my head and cry. And then the steel guitar said, I bet there's rich folks eating in a fancy dining car. They're probably drinking coffee and they're smoking big cigars. Well, I knew I had it in common. I knew I can't be free. But those people keep on moving, and that's what tortures me. Come on, Carmine, get on it. Well, if they freed me from this prison, that railroad car was mine. I bet I'd move it on a little further down the line. Far from Folsom Prison, it's where I want to stay. Gonna let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away. Take us out.
Tom, sounded great, man.
Hey, thank you.
Welcome to the show. Now, you are actually our guest artist this week.
Well, thanks for having
You
me.
know what I'm saying? But Cari, because it's Jimmy Eaton's birthday actually today, finally we got Cari to come up with Jimmy because it's his birthday, and we're going to have a cake for you a little later on in the show, Jimmy. You know we love you, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jim.
And Cari, I'm so happy to see you. So she came up mostly to sing background behind Tom and Paul and anybody else that's up here to sing. But we're going to get you to do a couple. You're not getting away with it.
All right.
Okay, you know we love you. John?
Hey, baby.
Palmer, my good friend. How you doing?
Good, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're back here at Carmine's Country Corner. We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. Our good friend Bart stopped by. He was, I guess, out of last week. He did a hell of a job. Of course, my good friend Paul, tell the folks where you were last week.
I left California and went to Hawaii.
Oh, I feel
Boy,
so
was
bad
it-
for you.
Yeah, pretty good. I almost didn't come back.
Well, Dan Hugott, we love Dan. He came up, did a great job.
I saw the show. He was great.
Yeah, he did a good job, and everybody.
And Bob was great, too. He's here.
Bob is, we'll get him back up here again in a few weeks.
Good.
Few weeks.
I
get
liked
him.
his choice of music.
I like the man. I like the I thought the ukulele got a great tone, great sound on that. He does that well. Anyway, being the guest artist, do another one, Tom.
All right, then let's do. Can we do my song?
Do whatever you want. You're the
A
guest
little
artist.
slow. This will be a slower one, and then we'll
This
get
is
back.
your
to
show, not mine.
All right,
Introduce
I'll do
it.
my song then. Actually, this is a song I wrote. I heard a story about a guy who got shot, and he went to a ladies of the evening house, and it was back in the 17 or 1800s, I guess, and they patched him up. And then I thought, man, if that guy wrote a song, what would it sound like? And this is it. Don't know how it is I got here. Don't know where I'm gonna go. But I know I owe a debt of thanks to the flowers of the bordello. They dusted off my dirty breeches. They washed my hair with fine soap. They laid me down so very gently. They didn't ever say no. They didn't ever say no. Jimmy, give us some of that. Again, keep going, Jimmy. Don't know how it is I got here. Don't know where I'm gonna go. But I know I owe a debt of thanks to the flowers of the bordello. And when I woke up in the morning, they kissed my wounds just so. They wiped my boots with fine linens. Then they let me go. Then they let me go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't know how it is I got here. Don't know where I'm gonna go. But I know I owe a debt of thanks to the flowers of the bordello. It's a little abrupt.
I like that ending. Right just before they hit that last chord, I looked at him and I said, "Is that it?" And that was it. I nailed it.
Way to anticipate the ending.
I like the song. You just have I'm going to quit now. I'm done. The song's over.
That's a nice call. That's a
I
nice
said everything I wanted to say.
Fair enough.
I love you, Tom. That's great. Paul.
Yeah.
Usually you open the show and you do it, and now we're just doing background behind TomPaul Wilson. I
Yes,
love
we
it.
are.
We're having a good time. Later on, we got Kate coming for Jimmy. We're up here at Bob Smith Toyota. And Jimmy's lovely wife, Cari Caruso. Now, you know, this is like half the Black Rose Band because I'm their guitar player when they're doing their show. And and then we got half the Wild Country Band. So we're doing good.
3/5.
Oh, Colleen showed up. I thought the lights just got a little brighter in here. She brings a certain electricity with her. I just love it.
I know it.
Even
Love
the
it.
mics sound better.
Yeah.
You know? Have you noticed?
It's all good.
Yeah, it's all good. Hey, Susie might be coming by. She was with the granddaughter, Nicole, and I just talked to her. She said, I'll try to swing by on the way home. So we hope she gets it. Okay, Paul.
Okay,
What are we doing?
let's do I'm Blue, I'm Lonesome Too.
I love that
The
song.
key of A.
Shuffle time.
I just bam in A. 1, 2, 3. The lonesome side of the train going by makes me want to stop and cry. I recall the day that took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle, I want to pack my suitcase and go. Some side of the train going by makes me want to stop and cry. In the still of the night, in the pale moonlight, the wind it moans and flies. These lovesick blues I just can't lose. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. Now when I hear that whistle blow, I want to pack my suitcase and go. Some side of the train going by makes me want to stop and cry. Come on, John Palmer, come on, boy. In the still of the night, in the pale moonlight, the wind it moans and fries. These lovesick blues slow blow. I wanna pack my trunk and go to the side of a train going by. Makes me wanna stop and cry. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. All right.
We got out of it. Oh,
Everybody else.
when you looked, I thought,
I looked,
I think I
because
did it
didn't know
again.
where, so I didn't
Caught
know
me this time.
Then I realized it was
so Carrie, we're still Carrie,
Yeah.
you're not gonna get out tonight just singing background. So how about doing a song for us?
Let's do one.
Okay,
Let's do a Jerry.
we're here at Bob Smith Toyota and Carmine's Country Corner. Thanks for watching. Keep sending all those cute little notes, and I'm sorry that I don't say a bunch of stuff back, but I'm Sicilian and I hate to say things and then not be able to take them back. So
I'm Sicilian too. Be
you got to
careful.
be careful who you're talking to these days and what you say, because they can switch things around. So I will say I love you. I don't think they can screw that up. And
What do you mean by that?
yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah. Maybe something's wrong with him. No, I'm just kidding. But thanks for watching. We love you all. I know who you are. I read the comments every week. Thank you. We appreciate the support. And that's it. All right, carry on.
Good one.
Did we say Bob Smith?
I did say Bob Smith. Toyota, absolutely. Love those guys.
Every night I play the places, neon lights and smiling faces. People laugh and talk about the evening while I play. I ask myself, why do I do it? There must be something to it. Playing for something I'd be doing anyway. I'm just playing that honky-tonk music. That's the kind I like to play. I'm just playing that honky-tonk music. That's the kind I like to play. Wish that I could have $1 for every drunk that I've heard holler, every barroom brawler I've seen sleeping off his fire. That's the stories I've been told. Guess I'd have a pot of gold if all the stories told turned out to be right. I'm just playing that honky-tonk music. That's the kind I like to play. I'm just playing that honky-tonk music. That's the kind I like to play. All right, Jimmy. Been a lot of men to lie to, and sometimes I've even tried to. When the night is getting old and the cowboys look so cool, and in bars I did not care for, ask myself what was I there for. But in all I wouldn't change things even if I could. I'm just playing that honky-tonk music. That's the kind I like to play. I'm just playing that honky-tonk music. That's the kind I like to play. That's the kind I like to play.
That's just a little taste of what's to come when she hosts a show for us as a guest artist, as we call them. So she'll do the whole night. We'll have a lot of fun with her. And maybe Tom will get up behind her, and maybe you could sing a little harmony behind her and play a little acoustic guitar for her.
With a little practice.
Well, you know, yeah. Well, you know, we're getting it. All right, John, you again, buddy.
Okay, let's go with Mama, take this badge off of me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark for me to see. I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, 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 knocking on heaven's door. Come on, Jimmy. Happy birthday, buddy. Mama put my guns in the ground. I can't shoot them anymore. That long black cloud is coming down. I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, 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 knocking on heaven's door. Carmine, play that telly, man. Here we go. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Here we go. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door.
Nice song. Great job.
Thank
Good
you.
job. Do another one.
Do another one?
Yeah, I'm leaving on you this show.
Oh, shit. Okay, I'm gonna save that. How about a quick one with boy, this is tough and vocally. Let's do it.
What are we doing? Ring of Fire. What? Key of G?
Yeah.
Ring of Fire, Key of G.
Written by a woman. That's great. June Carter, I believe. Love is a burning thing, and it makes a fire ring. Bound by wild desire, I fell into a ring of fire. I fell into a burning ring of fire. Down in the flames they went higher, and it burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire. The ring of fire. Have a slice of birthday cake, Jenny. Bring it down just a little bit. The taste of love is sweet when hearts like ours meet. I fell for you just like a child. Oh, baby, but the fire went wild. I fell into a burning ring of fire. Down, down, down in the flame they went high. And it burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire. The ring of fire. Jimmy, you want to take us out, buddy?
Great job. Woo.
Yeah, that was snappy. That was snappy.
What do you got, Paul? Oh, let's do
I got a Cajun song here, written by the great Jimmy C. Newman. It's in the key of E. It's going to have an F sharp minor in it, and also a B. And that's about it. That's the end of our rehearsal, folks.
Mosquitoes buzzing around my head, Spanish moss for my bed. I very seldom see dry land, 'cause I'm an alligator man. I hunt the gators all night long, take his hide and then I'm gone to see the belle of Bayou Shin, who loves her alligator man. Yeah, Jimmy. When I take my hides to town, all the people gather round, 'cause they just want to shake the hand of this alligator man. This bayou country is my home. From this place I'll never roam, 'cause I'm the leader of a clan known as the alligator man. Until I die. When I'm married by and by, that pretty girl from Bayou Shin, raise a little alligator man. Well, some people search the world for fame. Fighting gators is my game, and all the scars upon my hand prove I'm an alligator man. Yeah, yeah. Jimmy, one time now. All right, we did it. Alligator Man.
Alligator man.
It's a good song. Jeez. I don't know if I've ever played that before. I think I have. Maybe I'm getting mixed up with something else. Carrie, you want to do one more?
Yeah.
And then maybe we'll have some birthday cake for, at least present it to the birthday boy. Why not? So what do you got?
He has a slicer, right?
We'll do it after this song.
Yeah, I can make slices.
Yeah, you could. You can cut 6 pieces real fast.
I think so.
It's great for deviled eggs.
Yeah. What do you got?
Okay, so let's do a song
It's
called
a show, you know. Keep
Small
moving.
Town Girls. Shall we?
Kidding with you. I'm kidding with you. Go ahead. Yeah, let's do it. I love that song.
Got the F sharp minor, G stop.
Okay.
And the chorus, let's start it out. It's bum, 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 do, 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 She grew up in the country, her parents' origin. She has known every boy in town since she's been 10. Her first dance at the armory, she was shy and soft and warm. But she turns into a wildcat when she gets you behind the barn. Let me tell you about small town. Make you scream and shout, small town. Oh, they wear you out, small town. We can't do without small town girls. You'll find her at the armory, to have a dream. She might go to the city or take a job right here in town. It doesn't matter where she goes, she'll never let you down. Let me tell you about small town girls. Make you scream and shout. Small town. Oh, they're where you are. Small town girls. We can't do without small town girls. Well, if you go traveling, you find you might pass through a town with no description, with a traffic light or two. And if you stop for coffee, lodging, food, or gas, well, the small town girl's got lots of ways. She's gonna kick your ass. Let me tell you about small town girls. Take a scream and shout, small town. Oh, they're where you are, small town girls. We can't do without small town girls. So small town girls.
We nailed it.
We nailed it. Heavy hammer. We
Did
did
everybody get that?
it. Good job. Good job.
16 penny to the heart.
We got it. What time is it? Hey, is anybody out there watching? Can we even mention a couple of names?
Sure.
Tom's going to go help her out with some of the technical stuff.
Oh, it's 6:40. Alice, Alias means.
Alias.
Alias means.
Alias means he's gonna be a
He's
guest.
going to be a guest on this.
Yeah, he's gonna be a guest
Hey,
soon.
Alias, you have to call me that could, tech stuff and all that. I got a flip phone,
Carmen wants to hear your voice.
Yeah, I mean, I'm like the old Bell company, I used to like the old Bell,
Chad was watching.
They had the old green trucks that run around, remember that?
Oh yeah.
Back in the 40s and 50s and 60s, they were great. You can depend on those guys. Today, you don't know what you got. Anyway, okay, so we're gonna take a minute, and I want to say hi to everybody out there watching. Thank you, we love you, and I love all the nice comments you guys make. I read them every week, and we appreciate the support.
Chad and Roy. Chad Watson and Roy Simpson.
Oh yeah, Chad. Oh, Chad, we gotta have you and Pam Loback up here soon. Call me, or I'll call you, and let's find a Sunday when you want to come up and jam with us a little bit. They always do a great job. I love those guys.
The good licks I play, I learned those from Chad.
Joe, I gotta
When
tell
I play
you,
the right notes, I'm thinking of Chad.
you know what I always say to Chad when he does those big bass solos? I tell him, I say, it's against the union rules for bass players to play more notes than the guitar player. I said, that's not fair. So,
Just because
hey,
he can.
everybody, we're going to sing Happy Birthday. Paul, lead us off. You got a good voice.
Oh.
Come on up here, Clean, and say hello.
Happy birthday to you.
Wait. His wife said wait.
No,
we
she
better wait.
says we got to do it in the same key.
Happy birthday. What key you want to do it in?
Yeah, whatever. You stopped us too.
We should have rehearsed this song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jimmy. Happy birthday to you.
How old is your steel guitar?
Blow those suckers out if you can. You old man, don't get your beard on fire. Happy birthday, Jimmy. We love you, man. You're doing a great job here at Carmine's Country Corner. You took wonderful care of Cari when she went through that terrible thing. And Cari, we're so happy to see you. Tom, get back up here. I'm going to need you in a minute to close this thing out. So, good. Happy birthday to you. And you'll be with us soon.
Yes.
Doing a lot of songs. Okay.
All right.
Tom, I hope you're having as much fun as we are. I think you are.
You know, one of the great things in life is looking forward to things, right?
Yeah.
I mean, that's just one of the things. When you can look forward to something, it's a
Yeah.
great thing. And I look forward to this so much.
Well,
I'm so
we'll
grateful.
do it again then. We've
so
been having. I always get you up in between stuff.
Oh, yeah, I get my time.
But tonight I kind of,
Yeah,
we kind of said, Tom, just get up, stay up, and do like more songs. Just kind of, you'll be kind of the guest artist this week. So
Well, I appreciate it.
we're happy to have you. What? Oh, thank you. Next week is Super Bowl Sunday. And so the guys in the band said maybe we won't do the show next week. I mean, I kind of wanted to do it. I figured we'd maybe draw more people than the Super Bowl might draw. I don't know. You got to give it a try. But we are going to duck.
Dreamer.
We're going to duck, all right. So we're going to take next week off. We'll have a rerun up there or something with some little things for you guys to look at. And good luck to the team. What, the 49ers and the Bengals?
Rams, Los Angeles,
Oh, the Rams,
Rams.
not the 49ers, of course. Oh, well, good luck to the Rams.
and the Cincinnati Bengals.
Man, well, and Jason, my son and his wife and lovely children live in Cincinnati.
So
Right down, they're like a mile from the stadium.
So if Cincinnati wins, it's okay.
It's but they're actually rooting for the Rams.
All right.
What they told us. But
Go
anyway,
Rams.
they're there. So are they playing here? Or?
Yeah, they're playing right here.
Oh, hometown. Oh, wow. Well, we got a
Just
good
worked
shot
out.
at that. We can win that title. Okay.
Roy Simonson,
Roy,
Roy.
we love
Frog,
you.
we love you.
Where's
Thank you
Tom
for watching.
Leonard? And the other guy, Tom Leonard. Tom Leonard.
I'm a familiar guy.
Felicity is watching.
Who?
Felicity?
Oh, of course. Smith.
Yes.
Yeah, John, we love you and love her. She plays one pocket, pool, and we probably played 10 times, and I think I beat her once. I think she kicks my butt. I can't figure it out. Okay. Who else we got?
Let's do a little number by I think this is at the heart a country song. I really do. So we're gonna. It's a song by the Rolling Stones, but they were heavily influenced by country.
Absolutely.
They loved country. So let's do it. Let's do it in the spirit of. We're in an E key. Is that an E D A? Where's that? We're an A. We're an A.
Starts on a 5.
We're an A. Starts on a 5. Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. I've been around for a long years. Stole many a man's soul and faith. I was around when Jesus Christ had his moments of doubt and pain. I made damn sure the pilot washed his hands and sealed his fate. Pleased to meet you. Won't you guess my name? 'Cause what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. I stuck around St. Petersburg when I saw it was time for a change.
I killed the czar and the ministers. Anastasia, she screamed in vain. I rode the tank, I held the general's rank. When the blitzkrieg raged and the bodies stank. Pleased to meet you. Won't you guess my name? Cause what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. All right, Jimmy, man, give it some heart, buddy. Here we go. I watched with glee while your kings and queens fought for 10 decades for the gods they made. I counted out, they killed the Kennedys, when after all, it was you and me. So please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. I laid the traps for the troubadours who got killed before they reached Bombay. Pleased to meet you. Won't you guess my name? Just as every cop is a criminal and all the sinners are saints, his heads, his tails, you can call me Lucifer, cause I'm in need of some restraint. So if you need me, have some courtesy, have some sympathy, and some taste. Use all your well-earned politesse, or I'll lay your soul to waste. Pleased to meet you. Won't you guess my name? Can we go around one? Jimmy and Carmine go together one time? Someday we'll work on practice endings, but for now.
No, that's perfect.
Yeah.
They all fell off the
Right.
tracks together. That's perfect. All right, what else you got?
All right, let's do. This will be the last one then.
I don't know.
For
what
me,
time is it?
for me,
6:51.
Huh?
6:51.
6:51.
Well, let's let Carrie do one, and then you can do one in closing.
Okay.
Is that all right?
Well, what about
The boss.
He's the boss.
Well, yeah, he is.
Tonight, yeah, I guess so.
Okay, whatever you say. Whatever you say. I'm up for anything.
Cari, what do you got?
Here we go.
We had a lot of fun tonight, folks. We've got a couple more songs. We'll have Cari do one, and then I think Tom, you can close. You got another one, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want you to open the show and close it. It kind of makes it nice. Jimmy, good job tonight.
Do something.
And yeah, we're here at Bob Smith Toyota at Carmine's Country Corner. God, we've been doing this year. I think May is going to be 2 years. This coming May. That's unbelievable. So next week we are going to take a Super Bowl Sunday break, and we'll see you in 2 weeks. So Kim will put up a rerun next week. Not that anybody will watch, but if you want to go on the site and see what's going on, there'll be a little something there. And good luck to the Rams. And that's it.
Sure. Rookie.
Hey, looks
All right.
Please release me, let me go, 'cause I don't love you anymore. To live together is a sin. Release me and let me love again. Oh, I have found a new love, dear, and I will always keep it near. His lips are warm and yours are cold. Release me, my darling, let me go. Please release me, let me go. For I don't love you anymore. To live together is a sin. Release me and let me love again.
Okay, so what we do now is
You
just
sing
do a
hired
song,
first.
the song, we jam, and I say goodnight to everybody.
You know the
Is that
program.
how it works?
That's the way it works.
All right, let's go.
What are we doing?
We're gonna do Willie Nelson's.
Looking on the road, not
Yeah. Poncho and Lefty. It's actually a Towns Van Zandt song, but Willie sang it. A lot of people sang it. Paul sings it. I love his rendition. And anybody wants to join it, and anybody that's watching, it's embarrassing to sing by yourself, but let it go because it's fun. Living on the road, my friend. Living on the road, my friend. It's gonna keep us free and clean. Now you wear your skin like iron. Your breath's as hard as kerosene. You weren't your mama's only boy, but her favorite one at sea. You began goodbye and sank into your dream. And Poncho was a bandit boy, rode a horse fast as polished steel. Wore his gun outside his clothes for all the honest world. And Poncho met his match, you know, in the desert down in Mexico. No one heard his dying word. Oh, but that's the way it goes. And all the couldn't hide him anything. They only let him go so long. Out of kindness, I suppose. Lefty, he can't sing the blues all night long like he used to. Just a Poncho bit down south. It up and left his mouth. That day they let old Poncho go. Left the split for Ohio, where he got the bread to go. Oh, there ain't nobody knows. All right, Jimmy. Happy birthday, Jimmy. Go ahead. Lefty, he can't up. And now the poets write how Poncho fell. Lefty's living in a cheap hotel. The desert's quiet and Cleveland's cold. So the story ends with hope. Poncho needs your prayers, it's true. Save a few for Lefty too. He only did what he had to do. Now he's growing old. And all the fat air always said couldn't hide him anything. They only let him go so long. Out of kindness, I suppose. One more time.
for watching. We had fun. Tom, great job. We'll do it again soon. Good deal. Jimmy, next week, happy birthday. Have a good week. We're gonna soon as we're off the air, we're having a piece of this cake. Cari, love you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, honey. We'll see you soon too. Paul,
It was a piece of cake.
there was a piece of cake. Enjoy Super Bowl Sunday. Good luck, Johnny. Maybe I'll see you Tuesday night. I'll try to. Eric said he was going to be there Tuesday night. So, great job again. Love you, brother.